Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can disable the password saving feature permanently, or if you like, temporarily in your Microsoft Edge web browser. So let us guide you through this and show you how to do it. It is actually very simple. Launch the Microsoft Edge web browser, and what you'll need to do, guys, is access your browser settings. You may do that by clicking on these three dots in the top right and by selecting or clicking into settings here. Inside your browser settings, head over to profiles here on the left panel. After that, click into passwords here at the bottom. And in the next menu, head over to settings here on the left panel and scroll all the way down till you get to the password section here to the right. What you want to do, guys, is make sure that this feature offered to save passwords is turned off. So if that's the case, or if that's not the case, toggle it off here to the right. And also, in addition to that, make sure that this feature under personal info below, save and fill basic info, is disabled as well. And that should fix the issue, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.